Our hamster project aims to establish a symbiosis between a population of hamsters on the one hand and a group of vehicles with intelligent steering systems on the other hand. As you can see in this prototype model, each vehicle is driven by a built-in hamster running wheel that starts to move the vehicle forward and backward anytime a hamster gets in and starts running, like this. Built inside each vehicle, you can see a microcontroller that is able to distinguish light from dark and uses this information to influence its steering system. Every vehicle also has a solar panel on its surface and collects energy from the light and hoards it inside these batteries built in the body of the vehicle.
I'm going to explain the setting of the installation to you now by using a 1:20 scale model we built. You have a 40 to 50 square meter big area which is completely covered by sand and surrounded by a glass fence so that the spectators can follow everything what's going on in the installations but are not able to disturb the experiment in any way. In this area you have 10 or 15 hamsters which are represented by those little golden pieces here. Every hamster has got his own house. The two main parts of the installation are first the light source, which is, by the way, the only light source in the room, and the food station. Between these parts 10 of our vehicles are placed. The microcontroller will steer the vehicle towards the light source where it arrests its wheel and stops. After refilling its batteries via solar panels, it will take the next hamster lift to move over to the food station. Here it transmits its hoarded energy to the food station, whereby the station provides an amount of food for the animals. Since it has no additional power supply, the food station depends on the energy gifts of the vehicles.
What we're actually doing here is we are creating an artificial symbiosis between animals and machines, between biology and technology. The hamsters depend on the vehicles because they deliver the energy for their food station, whereas the vehicles are unable to move without the hamster's physical power.
Te pure.